In this short video, we will see how to copy a worksheet to another worksheet in Microsoft Excel. Now, if you're in a hurry, I'm going to show you the quick and easy way to do this. You have to go to the worksheet that you'd like to copy and go to the top left corner and identify this little arrow button over here. You have to click on it and it will select your whole spreadsheet, and then you have to press CTRL and C. Next, we go to the bottom of the workbook, and next to the sheet's name, we identify and press this plus button, which will give us a new blank worksheet. From the new worksheet, we click on the top left corner button again, and then we press CTRL and V. And that's it. Thanks for picking this video, and please give it a thumbs up if it helped you. And if you'd like to stick around for a more elegant solution, please allow me 1 minute to explain it to you. The second way of copying a worksheet to another worksheet is to go to the tab where you have the name of your sheet and right click on it. From the menu that will pop up, select the Move or Copy option, and you should see the Move or Copy menu pop up. We have 3 input boxes here. The To Book, this is to specify the workbook where we would like to copy our sheet. We will leave it as it is because we want to copy the sheet in this workbook. The Before Sheet, we can pick where in the workbook we would like to copy our sheet, and we will choose the Move to End option. This will place the sheet at the end of the workbook. The last input box from here is this Create a Copy checkbox. If we leave it unchecked, it will move the sheet to the selected workbook. So because we want to copy the sheet, we will make sure that we have this checkbox checked. We will then click on OK, and now a new worksheet has been created, which is the equivalent of the previous worksheet. I really prefer this method because it gives me the choice to move or copy the sheet, and I get to select where I would like to place it in the corresponding workbook. That's it. Thanks for sticking around until the end, and have a great day.